Assalamu alaikum, sir. Hope so you are in best of your health. Today I'm going to explain you uh, the project or concept of software engineering which I have created. The project was all about of creating the 3D modeling module. I have created the project on the web based and I have in the front end I have used the React.js, and in the back end Java, and in the database I have used the SQL queries. So basically, the project has multiple modules, but in the implementation part, I have just concentrated on the two modules, that was of login, and the second one was of creating 3D model. So first of all, I'm going to explain you the module of login. So here is the module of login. Like you can see that it want you to enter the email, and it want you to enter the password. So the database has been created accordingly by me. So in the database, as you can see, let me show you that this is the SC project database where I have created the log table, where have I have by default created some email and their password accordingly. So whenever a user in the front end enter its email and password, likewise I am putting, it will give the response to the backend, and the backend will show him that the user like this response had come from the front end. So when the front end response will come to the backend will execute the queries according SQL queries accordingly, and then tell the user that whether he has registered on the app or not. So in this way, as you can see that I have put the email of a loan mail and the password accordingly, and it has take out the emails from the database. These emails come from the database and successfully logged in. So if the user will put the wrong email, like now I am going to put the wrong email anyway. As you can see now is the backend is giving the error to the front end that these people are not registered. So this is the login module which has been connected to the database through backend in this way, and the backend has been connected to the front end in this way, like I have given the address over here. So let me come. So this is the all the login module has been working has been done on the login module. So whenever a register will be user will be registered, it will be its email and password will be registered here. So next time when he will come, he will just put his email and password, and the app will go to the move to the next page. So this is the login module which I have created. The front end has been created on React, and the back end has been created on Spring Boot Java. And in the database section I have used SQL queries to implement to use the database. So now let me move to the second module. Let me close it. So here we go to the second module. So this is the second module, and it I have created it separately. This has been created on in this section I have used the library of pixie.js, uh, which is the library of JavaScript. So basically in this portion I am using two images. One was the image 2D image, like you can see this is a 2D image, and the next one is the depth image. So whenever the depth image of the 2D image will be placed behind the real image, the depth image will be placed behind the real image, it creates the 3D model. So as you can see that whenever the user will log in successfully, this page will be appeared. This has been created using Figma. So this page will be appeared. User will upload the image, 2D image and the depth image, and then create 3D model. The 3D model will be reflected. Right now I have not uh, right now I have not used the upload part. I have not concentrated on the upload part. I have just okay, let me go through. Let me see show you. Okay, it will take some time. So here we go. Now let me show you first that I have used the 2D image. I've uploaded the 2D image, and then I have uploaded the depth image. The depth image is placed behind the 2D image. So according to the pixie.js library, which has been used over here, it creates the 3D model of that image. Like in this, this is the implementation. The 3D model, like I have seen shown you the image first, which was in 2D format, but now this image is in 3D format. So this was project all about. It was comprising of, I have shown you the working of mm, two modules which are perfectly working. The front end has been successfully connected to back end, and the back end to database in login module, and the image has been successfully uploaded uh, through paths, and the 2D image, and then the depth image, and then the logic and implements, and the 2D 3D image has been created successfully. Like you can see, it can move anywhere. So this was the project all about. So hope so you like it. Thank you.